briefly I can just tell you that Ericsson is a giving that it is a highly innovative company, we can say, and they have that standard essential patents, and Micromax is at a receiving end, that is the implementer, right. And there was a dispute between the that Ericsson, okay, that ACP holder, and then the Micromax, which is a implementer. Okay, that was the issue. We will go into, because this case is like little Competition Commission has given some decision, then High Court involved, and then the recent decision is like you can see that particular related to Ericsson, Micromax, Ericsson Lava. So, all this like dispute is there. We will try to cover it in one of the sessions, so that there will not be any confusion, but you just appreciate this particular thing, that FRAND, RAND, SCP is directly coming under the that purview of a Competition Commission of India. Okay.